Hello gentlemen, hola caballeros, it's Alejandro from Caballero Wear, and in today's video we're gonna do a special delivery. Let's go. Alright guys, so every now and then we pick a local order here in South Florida and we actually do a VIP delivery. So that's what's gonna happen right now, and I want you guys to come along with me. My favorite part about doing the delivery is missing the exit. Damn it. There he is. Mr. Joseph!
Yes.
Is that you?
Yes.
I got a special delivery for you, brother.
Thank you. 1 second.
This is my favorite part about the job. So Joseph, how are you, man?
I'm great.
Alex, nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Oh my God. All right.
All right.
The beauty right there. Right there. This is it.
Awesome, man. That's awesome. Thank you for shopping with us.
I haven't broken them in yet, and they're already so comfortable.
That's awesome, man. Great to hear. Of course, my man is wearing shorts, but he's gonna pull. What would you wear them with, Mr. Joseph?
Definitely some jeans, some ripped jeans,
Nice.
and also traveled in Europe
Nice.
this summer. I needed a pair of dress shoes.
That's awesome,
So
man.
that's how I found them. So
That's awesome.
I can't wait to enjoy them.
Make sure you check out caballerowear.com. Check out the link below. Get yourself a pair of caballeros. If you're local in Miami, this is how we deliver them. Welcome to Miami, everyone. Missing exits and traffic and trains.